explain it. I take it frame by frame it. Stab your Lord, jump and shout, saying it. Always for other P and some people scratch your temple. The last P, well,
that's how that's the more high.
it's sort of like a one another way to call a cat again. It's 5 little letters that I'm missing again. You get it on occasion if the other party is in game.
You think you got something explaining? Put your hands
You ever had a girl that met on the next hello? Thinking that they meant nothing left in mellow. You get home later, they see what you want to know about. Do you call up in this or go? It's all comes out. It's not a fun to enter the art to the author to the T. It's just a purpose of the hell. It's so we beat some other people so you get it. It's over for relationships. It's just how many brothers out there know this one I'm getting at? Who think it's wrong cause I was splitting and go in that? Well, if you knew that's OPP and you're not down with it. But if you don't, here's your membership. You know what OPP?
You know what OPP? Louder, you know what OPP? We got what OPP? You know what OPP? Louder, you know what OPP? Over there, you know what OPP? We got what OPP?
Ladies, OPP means something different. The first two letters say, but the lesson's something different. It's the longest, loveliest link. I call it the leanness. It's another fella to rub me with.
Cleanest, heaviness.
I won't get into that. I do it all sort of properly. I say the last P.
Sit to my property.
Now, lady, here comes a kiss.
Hey, yo,
blow a kiss back to me. Now tell me, have you ever known a brother with another like a girl or wife? Do you just have the psychosis? You look just like you looked at him, he looked at you, and you knew right away. He had someone, but he was gonna be yours anyway. You must be seen with him, and all the see it didn't get. Cause in the room behind the door, when y'all are finished, y'all can leave it only y'all would know. Y'all can throw that coming bumping in the closet door. Now don't be shockers if you now don't want your hands up high. Say OPP, I like it never proud. Now when you do it well, it makes it at a count. You now down with a dick count. You know what OPP?
Sing, yeah, with OPP. Louder, yeah, with OPP. Who down with OPP? Up top,
You down with OPP?
over here, you down with OPP. Over here, you down with OPP.
Check it out. It's over for relationships. It's just room two.
We sending this one out
Shit.
to the late great musical genius.
Shit.
Prince.
1, 2, 3. You could walk a slip with a flip, but you're still on Mount high enough. Go out enough to touch. The naughty, nappy, nasty nigga, nasty, trashy, hoe, and people happy. That's happy to be happy. Me and this clock, win spots and flops and groups and shoot. What's in my boots and clowns? That's how I roll with my head to toe. When the wheel I got one competition ain't dope. Beat you, break you, broke you, smoke you, take you, see you, see your little group of mute.
Sooner or later, if
He wanna flip, tell him fools and be half with a dip.
and all that other ringling brother shit.
Sporty, naughty, hop hop, greater than nature. Why? Shit, slam the flim, flam, and then you can run, but you can't hide, you can't go far. No matter where you go.
There you are. Naughty, 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 naughty. Club LAX. Somebody make some noise.
Hit a nigga, kill a nigga, will come back. See a sucker, touch a sucker, card kidnap. Got someone to tell a black man. See a 40 sucker, 40, guess who's back?
You're killing with a city full of dollars. Coming through the beauty, pretty pump, caterpillar. And too many guns coming together. Separated by the punk, motherfucker, sound cutter. Walking from the gutter. Brand new Chevy, heavier than Chevy. Ready for my pity patty, yo, I'm pretty ready. Place your bet on the vet with a 3-man run.
What you see is what you get.
Who ready to get live in here on the Thursday night? Where the party at? 1, 2, 3, get up, get up, get up, get up, come on. Up in what? What?
Y'all gon' make me go around.
Up in what? What?
Y'all gon' make me lose my cool.
Up in here,
I see y'all.
what?
Y'all gon' make me lose my cool.
Up in here, up in here.
Where all my white folks at? Where all my Mexicans? Where all my
White boys,
Hispanics?
where you at?
Where all my niggas at? Where?
Chill, 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 chill. Come on, somebody in the place say ho, say ho, ho, say white boy. Smooth it out now.
This is a story about the drifter who waited for the worst because the best lived crosstown. Who never planned on having, so I did.
Somebody
Well, I
in the
mean
place
now,
sing.
everything's gonna be alright. Sing.
Everything's gonna be alright.
Sing.
Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright.
Look, some get a little, and some get none. Some catch a bad one, and some lead to up half done. I was one who never had and always met. Never knew my cigarettes. This nigga said the trigger hit. I couldn't get a job, nappy hair was not allowed. My mother couldn't afford us, so she had to throw me out. I walked the shit with just a clip of one to hit. They got him quick, I had to eat his money couldn't spit. I threw in braids, I wasn't paid enough. I kept them on cause I couldn't afford a haircut. I got laughed at, I got jumped, I got dissed. I got upset, I got attacked and in the rip. Was in the throat and let the any deal attack it. I still ain't broke, so a lot of good I would've did. Or done, if not for bad luck, I would have known. Why did I have to live the life of such a bad one? Why when I was a kid and played over the sad one? And always wanted to live like this a bad one. Everything's gonna be alright, sing. Everything's gonna be alright, sing. Everything's gonna some motherfucker, we live in the whole point. I get a passive, pull next to the project. Living in the slums with bums, I said I'm one track. Do I have to be like that? Mama said I'm priceless. So I am a worthless, starving and just for being nice. Sometimes I wish I could afford a pistol then though. That's up the hell I would've ended things a while ago. I ain't have Jack, but a black hat and knapsack. Horse cars, selling cars in a blackjack. Drop that, so now you want me to rap it, kid. Say that the positive will positive in where I live. I live right around the corner from West L, 2 blocks from South shit. And went to the jail cell. I never stand on my side of the street, see. And only once or twice a week. Hey yo, where the party at? My tater mama so she home. I couldn't keep it rolling when it gets too far. So life if you ain't where go, your sour soul. And you got more juices up for every bottle so. Hell no, I say there's gotta be a better way. But hey, never get my linen again, man, you can play. I'm on the floor and sooner, no one knowing it, not now. How will I do it? How will I make it? I won't, that's how. Oh shit. If you ain't never been to the ghetto, don't ever come to the ghetto. Cause you wouldn't understand the motherfucking ghetto. So stay the fuck out the ghetto. Unless you get a pass from us, goddammit, cause we gonna meet y'all on the first exit. How many people came in to party tonight on Black Thursday? Let me get some water. Let me get some water in this motherfucker. How many people came in to party, man? Well, if you came to party, somebody say party. Say party. It goes a 1, it goes a 2, it goes a 1, 2, 3. Put them up. Throw your hands in the air and wave them like you just don't care. And if you wanna get naughty by nature tonight, somebody say, oh yeah. I wanna see y'all all wanna plan with me. Wave your hands for some land and we family. Say hi damn. We wanna jamboree. This for my peace here. I stand for you cause you stand for me. I know I jam, I know I jam, jam. Well, oh damn, I know I jam, I know I jam, jam. Oh, Bori, I know I jam, I know I jam, jam. Well, oh damn, why don't you jamboree for me? Come on, come on, the platoon came on in 8 limbs and 10 programs, smoke sims, who dogs and pink rims. For the real and the raw, who duck from the law. I never kill for the thrill, but I cut for the call. Smoking Buddha with a hooter, get better prices of Buddha. Shake my shit with the shooters. Leave a Ruger with 2 trucks. Some say modeling and acting, maybe dressing, selling. While I'm yelling, first I'm felling with my cat and melon. Hella heat is too ill for them to be the most cheated, most sweeted, most needed. You best believe it. This thing I take jam for me, stand for me. You're damn to be without the jam for me. I know I jam, I know I jam, jam. Well, oh damn, I know I jam, I know I jam, jam. Don't worry, I know I jam, I know I jam, jam. Well, oh damn, why don't you jam for me? Listen to me. Hey, we put it down since the days of high school. And everywhere we mob, we rule. Don't need some out the race, I stop. And we didn't come to brag about what we got. We came to rock. Drop that. We moved the spot to the pop. Hello. For a while, come on that track. You to the last few years is my evidence. People been fighting on money by nature ever since. You live in how you reprimanded. Challenge me, guarantee when we finish, I'll be the last band standing. But much heard on these fam in the man. Give it up for our DJ KG, y'all. I wanna see y'all all wanna plan with me. Wave your hands for some land and we family. Say hi damn. We wanna jamboree. This for my peeps here. I stand for you cause you stand for me. I know I jam, I know I jam, jam. Well, oh damn, I know I jam, I know I jam, jam. Oh, Bori, I know I jam, I know I jam, jam. Well, oh damn, why don't you jamboree for me? Come on, go shorty, it's your birthday. We gonna party like it's your birthday. We gonna party like it's your birthday. And if today's your birthday, happy birthday. Fuck that. I'm 45 years old. Every day my motherfucking birthday. Fuck that. I'm gonna take a piece of all y'all cake if it's your birthday. Who's got a birthday in the building tonight, y'all? Who got a birthday this year sometime? Fuck it.
Who grew up on 90s hip-hop music, y'all?
90s, baby. Oh, shit.
Trigger track.
What the fuck going on? Yeah. Huh. Oh, shit.
Uh-oh.
I like to shout out the OG before I even get into this. My OG, his name was Prince.
I don't think they heard you, Tretch.
His name was Prince.
I don't think they heard you, Tretch.
His name was Prince. We got some Morellas over there from the Midwest right over there. Tilo from Next and they. Yo, this nigga so gangster, he gave us a tour of his estate from a phone when he was out of town and shit.
Hey, everybody give it up for Prince, y'all. Put your hands in the air, y'all. Put your hands in the air, y'all. Somebody say R.I.P. Say R.I.P. Now, if you grew up on real music, you should
listen,
know.
hold on. It go like this. Hip hop, life, what's the matter with your world? Hip hop, was you mad it was Thug instead of that girl? Hip hop, life, we come with all of that thing. Drinking all this Henny, giving it up to the king. But he was a prince, but he was the motherfucking king over here, yo. Motherfucker. Who the fuck else could wear purple and high heel shoes and have respect in the hood, goddammit? Had the baddest bitches on the planet and shit go out this motherfucker. Who the fuck, nigga? Prince. Now, you know when I bring this shit out too, I'm about to get ignorant, right?
Uh-oh. West
Hennessy got me feeling bad. Time to stop drinking, rolling in that drop top Jag. What's that cop thinking? How many of my Tupac riders we got in this motherfucker? You think I wasn't? You motherfuckers ain't think I was. What the
You know what, Tretch? I don't think they heard you, man. Ask them again, homeboy. I think you gotta ask them again. Cause there's a lot of West Coast people in the building tonight, right?
Yeah.
Don't be set tripping, girl.
One shot for Tupac.
One shot for Tupac. Louder!
When I drink, you drink. When I smoke, you smoke. When I fuck, when we lay them niggas down that disrespected you, my nigga, you lay them niggas down that disrespected you, my nigga.
Yes, sir.
Action one more time.
How many of my Tupac, Westside, Machiavelli, the Down Riders? We got this motherfucker to know.
Put a two in the air. Put a two in the air, y'all. Put a two in the air.
I get around, baby.
Put a two in the air.
Still clowning with the underground. Somebody say Tupac. Say Tupac. Say Tupac.
Somebody say Tupac.
I'm gonna let you introduce this next one, little bro.
Machiavelli in this, Illuminati, all through your
How many
body.
people know this shit?
Blows like a 12
How many
gauge
people
shot.
know this? Sing it.
Feel me?
Come with me.
Hey,
Hell, never nigga, run quick, see. What do we have here now? Do you wanna ride it
Follow
out?
me.
Sing. Louder,
Come
louder.
with me.
Sing this shit.
Hell, never nigga, run quick,
Sing
see.
it, sing it.
What do we have here now? Do you wanna ride it out?
Sing. Put the top in the air.
Yeah.
Put the top up. Pimp. Put the top up. Now you can set trip, girl. Now you can set trip, girl.
Now you can
Let's
go.
California. Say what? Sing it, y'all.
Down in Vegas.
Where you from? Where
Where
you
you
from? In the city.
Vegas. Yeah.
Where you from, y'all?
Good Serial killer Cali.
Where we at, y'all?
Where we at? Who from the East Coast? East Coast. West Side. West Coast. West Side. West Coast.
Ripping it up like this, y'all. Like that, y'all. Like that of the back. I like that, y'all. Say hip hop, hip hop. Who's West Coasting up in this motherfucker?
Where's my West Side? Where's my West Coast?
Where the weed at? Somebody say roll that shit like that shit smoking.
Roll that shit like that shit
Somebody
smoking.
say roll that shit like that shit smoking.
Roll that shit like that shit smoking.
With so much drama in the LBC, it's kinda hard being Snoop D-O double G.
So why?
Somehow, some way,
I keep coming up with
funky ass hits like every single day.
Kick a little something for the
GGGs.
Sing
Make
it,
up the
y'all.
millions as I breathe.
All my
Two
people
in the
over
morning
there.
and the 40 still
Homeboys
jumping 'cause
over
my mama
there,
ain't
y'all.
home.
I got bitches in the living room getting it on
And my flight ain't leaving till
6 in the morning.
My flight ain't leaving till My flight ain't leaving till
With my notorious B.I.G.
Where Brooklyn at? Where Brooklyn at? Where Brooklyn at? Where Brooklyn at? Where Brooklyn at?
Come on, y'all. East Coast in the house. Somebody say B.I.G. Say R.I.P. Say B.I.G. Say R.I.P. Where the party at? Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Somebody say ho. Say ho, ho. Say P.I.G. Say P.I.G. Now scream. Now scream.
Yeah. Don't believe everything you read and all that shit in the news and shit. Gonna say how niggas ask, how you gonna play Biggie right after Tupac, nigga? Cause motherfucker Tupac was my brother and Biggie was my nigga, motherfucker. Y'all gonna see some shit on the front of covers on some shit. East Coast versus West Coast. Wasn't no East Coast versus no motherfucking West Coast. The homies had a little problem. They ain't have time to sit down before they sniped their asses. They came after me, but I don't die that easy, motherfuckers. Fuck these niggas, fuck Donald Trump, fuck all the rest. Build the wall on these nuts, motherfucker. Fuck you, you hating ass motherfucker. Cause everybody in here in hip hop is one fucking tribe. Ain't no color, ain't no tripping. I got Crips and Bloods back here with me. I got motherfucking my essays, everything. Nigga, fuck all racism. Put their motherfucking finger up. And let them know hip-hop brought all this shit the fuck together, god damn it.
I got a question to ask. How many people are down with the old school? Old school, where you at? Put your hands in the air. Go, 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 go. Somebody say, oh, school.
Come here. Look, go ahead, let me show something. Look.
Y'all. I said, how many people are down with the old school?
This is my Mexican relative.
Hey,
My Hispanics in the moment.
Somebody say, old school. Whop it out, y'all. Come on, whop it out, y'all. 1, 2 in the house, and don't stop. 3, 4, we about to give you more. Say ho. Say hola, homeboy, go. Yo, now if you down with the old school, you should know this song. Sing. I said a hip hop, the hip it.
However, you don't stop the rockin' to the bang bang. When you say up, jump
Go
to
ahead,
To the rhythm of the boogie to beat. Now what you hear is not a test.
Rapping to the beat. Say what?
And me, the groove, and my friends.
Who are you?
See, I am
Wonder Mike.
and I like
Say hello.
to the black. Whoa. And I like to say whoa. And I wait, this shit was 40 years ago. Listen about hip hop. I like to say hello to the black, to the white, the red, and the brown, the purple, and them niggas, he was representing for Smurfs and shit. Hip hop didn't give a fuck. Build a wall, nigga, we'll tunnel our way underneath you. Where are my hip hop motherfuckers at? Yeah. We got time to do God Is Us? I think we need to do one. Yeah? Nigga, yeah? Man, fuck that. We got a family up in here from LA. If you go on YouTube, Naughty by Nature / look at the song called God Is Us, featuring Queen Latifah. You'll never hear it on the radio because you're talking about peace and love. You'll never hear this, but I'm going to give you a little bit of it. Fuck it.
This is a record we call God Is Us. It's about love. If you about love, put an L in the air. Go side to side. Spread love, give love. Come on, love. Here we go.
We need some love in the hood. I see some good in these thugs. Pass all these guns and these drugs. I see the hood. Pull up your pants, it's on. Tired of rating on wrong. Couldn't wait for the closet clear. I learned to dance in the storm. Baby mamas and father, not together, so tripping. Can't see baby when he wanted, cause she said that'll get him. You see, it's a riddle, cause they say he don't give up. Who gives us the words? Don't put the kids in the middle. We're still running from troopers, and the killing is trooper. Need the gangsters to group up, need the troops in the future. Got the dealers and dopers. Tell our people keep hope. Get a broom in the apartment, this hood is a choker. Got the elderly to mind their business, what is it wicked? They ain't nosy since they kicked it in the hood, since they built it. Mom and thugs got his love, thug attack. Love your mother, love your brother, love your life, love yourself. Loving you more. That's what loving is for. Throw your hearts up. That's the new gang sign. Fuck it.
One love, y'all. One love.
You can throw that shit up in every corner, every block. You won't hear this on the radio because they want us to kill each other, stay in the trap clubs, drinking syrup and shit. So when you see the news, you too numb to even understand they trying to take us out. Fuck that.
Hey, Trigger Tretch.
What's up? What?
We running out of time. Let's film me flow, jingle them out of here.
How many old school motherfuckers we got in the house tonight? You motherfucker, you little young bucks. Y'all look young as shit. Y'all look good in the mother. What you know about the old school? All right, I'm gonna test y'all asses. You'll never see a show like this ever again because we interact with the crowd. We love it. We gonna test your ass. I'm Professor Tretch right here. I will fail your ass too. And when you go to summer school, you got to smoke a long ass blunt before you go, goddammit. This is my school. Now I'm gonna ask you this question. Well, actually, I'm gonna do old school song. If you know it, sing along. If you don't know it, fuck it, act like you do. You're already going to summer school, motherfuckers. Y'all ready for this? I said, are y'all ready for this? Y'all better know this. The first one easy. Come over here. Use the beatbox, nigga. Come over here, nigga. nigga. We going to old school like that. You ready? You ready?
Yep.
It goes poo-tang, tang. No. I don't even want to do that right there. I was going to fuck with y'all. You got to start it, nigga. I'm cutting. You do it. Come on. You know it.
And it goes a little something like this. Hit it.
Y'all better know this shit if y'all old school. You motherfuckers. This nigga just got citizenship. Lottie-dottie. Lottie-dottie, you motherfucker. Better know this shit. Lottie-dottie, motherfucker. Now check it. Then buzz it. Lottie-dottie. We likes to party. We don't cause trouble. We don't bother nobody. We're just a man that rocks a mic. And if you fuck around in Vegas, they'll knock you out, right?
How many people know that old school West Coast shit? How many people know that Ice Cube shit? Homeboy sing. Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. Who know this?
But today seems
Kinda odd. Come on,
no barking from the dog, no smog.
Salam alaikum,
I got my grub on, but didn't dig out. Finally got a call from a girl.
I wanna dig out.
Hooked it up for later as I hit the dope. Thinking, will I live
Another 24.
I gotta go, cause I got me a drop top.
And if I hit the switch,
I'ma make that ass drop. Had to stop at a red light, looking in my mirror, not a jacker in sight.
sing it, and everything is alright. Who you got?
Got a beat from Kim,
And she can fuck all night.
all of the homies and I'm asking y'all,
Which one?
Are y'all playing
Basketball.
get me on the court and I'm trying.
Y'all know this shit.
Last week fucked around and
Caught
got
a triple double.
great like MJ.
I can't believe
today.
how many people having a good day with Naughty by Nature tonight. Throwback Thursdays, Club LAX, make some fucking noise.
All right, you little young bucks. All right, I'm gonna go back a little bit further, you motherfuckers.
Come on, Trench.
You know, if you know this shit, sing along. If you don't, you still ain't getting a karaoke award, so you better just mumble the shit. Y'all ready for this?
Yes, sir.
And it goes a little something like this.
Hit it.
It goes poo-tang, tang. I don't wanna go search all night for my honey bun.
Hey, yo.
Give me some of that yummy, yum, yum before I go to bed. Out of all the animals in the world, I'd rather be a Vegas duck.
Wow.
So I could just quack all up under them panties there and give you a all night like
boy. Yeah, y'all. Naughty by Nature's in the building. Turn the music up, man. Everybody in the place to be. Let me see you. Clap your hand to the beat. Come on and just clap your hand to the beat. All my people on the left, clap to this. And if you're ready for the trench, clap, come on.
You got the Chronicles of a Bionicle lyrically spitting, dismissing. I'm on a mission. I just hit. Now it's written and kid. Hitting with mittens. I'm missing with some listen. I glisten like turtle water while fishing. Bust a movement and swerve. Sir words with nerve embedded. I said it word. Damn, you nerd.
Man, you heard.
Coming from the town of Illy. Hollies are full of Phillies and rallies. I could get silly and Sally and found and ollies and rallies. Really? So here we go. Now holla if you hear me though. Come and feel me.
Flow.
Never mixing with tricking mothers, bitching over fixes that ain't fitting to be hitting for nothing. Spitting things that's spitting and getting written. You're like a fat or bad bladder, boy, you pissing me. Boy, you even started. So what? So long till you flip. I might try. Else could I say it when you play it? Try boom. Bye bye, bye bye. Here we go. Now holla if you hear me though.
Come and feel me flow.
Sing.
Here we go. Now holla if you hear me, yo. Come and feel me flow.
The flow pro poetical is cause only you better know is a way to flow to some point.
Like that's the move.
Man handling new crews, partying with the super crew. Looking for the big and poo-poos.
I thought you knew too.
So styles are sim in the gym, and while we playing in the gym, we bust with a party images, damaging managing, damaging Mike Smith, and even mannequins. You're a fan again. Now I wanna know who's the man again.
Yo, nah.
Naughty's back like vertebrae, words the hair I hold. The way I show, the pray I flow. Steady breaking to the boogie, so bang. Time to slang, bang, and watch all the boo tang.
Put your hands up, yo.
Here we go, now holla if you hear me though.
Come and feel me flow.
Sing.
Here we go. Now holla if you hear me, yo. Come and feel me flow.
Hey, here we go, now holla if you hear me though. Come and feel me flow. Sing. Here we go, now holla if you hear me though.
Come and feel me flow.
All we wanna know is everybody wanna party. It's no poo-tang, tang.
For everybody. Where the party at? It's her birthday. Come on, girl. Stay up here. Put them up.
Hip hop hooray.
Oh, hey, oh, say what? Hey, oh, louder. Yeah, you drew a picture of my morning, but you couldn't make my day.
Hey.
I'm like, you know me, but you never look my way.
Hey.
I'm looking at your darling in every single way.
Hey.
Get back and don't come in, cause birthday girl
This
is
ain't got
on
shit
the
to do
way.
with jam, poo-poo, watch your head and shoulder.
Hey.
But the older, bold enough to vote to yo, I told ya.
Hey.
Afraid of what I mean and plain up on the monkey fit, so say I'm living shit. While that music in a monkey fit.
Triggers from the real town.
Ill town, feel now.
Still rain. With a freestyle anthem, it turns to be into thinking what you're thinking, cause I'm pimping.
I live it up in hip hop. This is the pop of the day. I get props to hip hop, so hip hop.
Hey, ho, hey, ho, hey,
Y'all don't know this shit?
hey, ho,
Hip hop hooray! Hey!
louder.
Fucks up.
Who's selling a birthday? Come on, church.
You heard a lot about a brother gaining more ground, being low down. I do the showdown with any little hoe round.
No.
I wanna know who you believe in. Me a funny reasons. Even when I'm sleeping, you think I'm cheating. You said I know you, Mr. OPP.
Man,
Yo, PP.
Man.
Will only see me.
man, see.
You should've knew when I ain't hit it and step that I was with it a bit, not to consider the rap.
Heck,
I did your partner cause she's hot as a
sing,
baker,
cause I'm naughty by nature.
You put your heart in the part of a partner, was a part and forgot that I forgave when you have. You try to act like something really big is missing, even though my name's graffiti written on your thing. I love all women on ways and disrespecting the way. Let's start our family today. Hip hop hooray!
Ho,
Popping movies and hip hop to top today. So word you heard, cause I ain't belling no hay. Ain't chopping no crops, so still growing every day.
Here's another sound from the one that's found from underground town. Down that hill, what's up,
Town.
Drought swells the frowns, Santa Clouds for clowns. Beat downs, I'm planning on me, don't come around.
Tippy tippy paws, tippy tippy paws. I'm trying to eat mother, eat them. My bounce are older than Lou Rawls. Piece to this one, that one, them. That's weight. I shot out and I didn't miss one friend. Fools get foolish, neither of them are Parker Lewis Lewis. You can have cruiser shoes and cans that too. So get these don't call me serve too. Looking for her crew. Any trick to this gets a cut. I put on projects for boo. Step 2 jukes and leave proof. My problem solved. My name is Swoop. Hitting Woody's in a hoodie. Piece to Josette, Joe Bet, Jojo down there and every D-Lo. But the rhythm fighters ill. Piece like the LONS and Quest. Nice and swoop in Cypress Hill. I live and die for hip hop. This is hip hop of the day. I get props to hip hop, so hip hop.
Hey, ho, hey, ho. Say what? Louder, louder. Hip hop array. Ho, hey, ho. Say what? Hey, ho, hey, ho. Somebody say hey. Say ho. Say hey, ho. Say hey, ho. Louder, say hey. Say ho. Say hey, you ho. Say hey, you ho. Naughty by Nature would like to thank everybody for coming out on Third Black Thursdays. We're celebrating 25 years in hip hop this year. If you had a good time with Naughty by Nature, put your hands in the air and make some fucking noise. Thank you, Club LAX. Peace.
Woo! Once again, make some noise for Naughty by Nature, the hardest working group in hip hop. We got to do it how we do it in Sin City. We got to give thanks to these guys working so hard for 25 years. So we got a little something special for them. So once again, the hardest working men in hip hop. They got about 30 shows and it's about 30 days. So they're doing shows a day. They're flying back to New York tomorrow. But we want to say thank you for giving us hip hop since '91. Once again, put your hands in together, all together for Naughty by Nature. Years, make some noise. I reminisce. Yeah. We call it Throwback Thursday. The party continues to 6 in the morning.
I reminisce for a spell, or shall I say think back 22 years ago to keep it on track. The birth of a child on the 8th of October. A toast, but my granddaddy came sober. Count all the fingers and the toes. Now I suppose you hope the little black boy grows. 18 years younger than my mama, but I really got beaten cause the girl loved drama. In single parenthood, there I stood. By the time she was 21, had another one. This one's a girl, let's name her Pam. Same father as the first, but you don't give a damn. Irresponsible, plain not thinking. Papa said chill, but the brother keep winking. Still he won't.
Las Vegas, please make some noise. One more time for Naughty by Nature.
The game, the youngest of 5 kids, hun, here it is. After 10 years without no spouse, mama's getting married in the house.
25 years, Las Vegas.
A negative for the woman, a master. Mother Queen's rise in the chapter. Deja vu, tell you what I'm gonna do when they reminisce over you, my God.
So lovely. That's how we like to do it in the 90s. Rock and seal smooth, coming at y'all.
When I date back, I recall a man off the family tree. My right hand, Papa Doc, I see. Took me from a boy to a man, so I always had a father. When my biological didn't bother. Taking